On top Edo Assembly quarter, Edo women and youths don carry protest go Edo State House of Assembly. Edo women come out en mass on Friday 7th August 2020 as dem carry protest go Edo State House of Assembly to go talk their mind on top wetin dem call illegal inauguration. The women talk say dem no get another assembly for anywhere, say their only House of Assembly wey dey Edo na the one wey dem for come do protest so, and their speaker na Right Honourable Frank Okiye.
We no be tigers and lions. We come beg una, Edo women, Edo children, Edo youth, Edo men. Make una no gree, make all this one wey dem dey do so make it happen for Edo State o. Edo State na peaceful state. We get speaker. Our speaker name na Right Honourable Okiye.
Edo South PDP women leader Lady Uwa Osumbo na yarn all this one for the gate of Edo State House of Assembly. She talk say all the quarter wey dey go on so no go fit stop Godwin Obaseki make him come back for second tenure.
Make e no fear. Wetin God don talk for Edo State life, e go come to pass. Dem no dey do inauguration for somebody parlour o. Inauguration na for Ring Road. That inauguration wey all those people say they go do yesterday, una agree? We don vote for them since last year. They supposed to come House of Assembly, come perform their duty. All of them go stay for Abuja. Now, where we don ready to vote our governor, our able governor, our Tokunagu governor, our we can see governor. They know say election don reach September 19th. They no get wetin they go take campaign. Now they say make dem come take this House of Assembly issue take cause confusion. Una go gree?
Other women and youth protesters still talk their mind on top the matter.
We must support our governor. We must make sure say 4+4 will do wetin. 4+4 will do wetin.
Una go sabi say the other members elect don inaugurate themselves and they don choose Victor Edoro as their speaker, and they still carry courtesy visit go police headquarters and the Directorate of State Security Services. This one na the ogbonge informator who carry come give una on top inside Edo today. On top say Edo women and youths don carry protest go Edo State House of Assembly to go yarn their mind. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge update come give una. My name na Edogogo Edoleyi.